So the biggest burn ever, okay? Yesterday I went to Inglewood, shot the KB homes, did everything, and then I went home last night to go ahead and edit it, and then lost all of the audio footage on everything. Burn. So I'm sitting there trying to edit, trying to salvage it. Can't do it. So guess where we're going? Going back to Inglewood. Back to Inglewood. Hey Amelia. Come on. Give me my munchies. Alright, now since it's like the coldest winter we've had in Southern California, we gotta wear these jackets. Alright. Oh. See you later. Love you. Best friends? Alright, go. Now give all my cheese. I gotta go. Okay, I see you later.
Bye, later. Yeah.
Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Give me much?
That's it.
Give me much?
Spicy.
Give me much? Another one? Oh, big buggy? Okay, I'll see you later, guys, okay?
That's fine.
I love you. That's disgusting. Alright, babe, I'll see you later, okay? Alright, so we're on our way back over to Inglewood and get green apples, of course. That's what we're gonna do. Get green apples. You got it. Now Inglewood is kind of like what, like if, how do I explain? Like back in the day, right? Back in the day, Harlem used to be one of the worst places you could live in. And in the Bay Area, Oakland used to be one of the worst places you could live in. But now all of these places have gotten so gentrified that it's like one of the like a really, really nice place to live. So we're gonna go ahead and go back over there. And the best part about that place is they have some of the best tacos you could possibly imagine. I'm a big taco guy, and that's the main reason why we're doing a lot of these taco reviews. But let's get out of here. I gotta get some gas and get on with it. What's up, guys? Omar, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and Ome Realty. So we're back again because I lost all the audio in this. So hopefully I can make this as good as it was the first time. But we are at KB Homes in Inglewood, California. Let me fix this guy. And we are touring plan number 2355, KB Homes. Let's get in here and check it out. Now, before we go in, okay, before we go in 2355, this property does not have a patio, okay? So it doesn't have like a backyard patio. Your patio is going to actually be in front. So this is going to be the whole entire front area that you have coming all around here. Now, some of them are different. Some of them do have a back patio, but for the most part, these are built in to where they're just all gonna be towards the front area. So it comes around here in an L-shaped form, and then it comes off to the side where you have like a little side yard over here. But let's get in here and see exactly how they have this property set up. Let's do a little tour here. So as soon as you walk in, you got yourself your stairs off to the right hand side, and then you have the guest bedroom and your access straight to your 2-car garage right over there. So you're gonna come on over here, and then this is going to be the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom, you take this guy off here so we don't, I know I always have this on, but whatever. So the first one is going to be this one right here. This guest bedroom is huge. It's actually surprisingly really a lot bigger than what most guest bedrooms are like. This one is probably about 15 feet across by 10 feet that way, like width, I guess, right? And then you come over and then you have your full bathroom right over here. Full bathroom, sink, all that other good stuff. And then, of course, you do have your 2 windows. And then, you know, being this far low being this low, you always need a lot of light. And then this one is actually really, really cool because it has like this really almost not quite there, but almost like a floor to ceiling type of window. It's an extra large building. It really a window, which is really great thing to have. And then especially if you don't like AC or you don't get a fresh breeze or whatever like that, you could open this sucker up and then you have that window over there. Now over here on this side though, just so you know, there is your AC right down there. I don't know if you can see it right over there. You have your AC, so it might get a little loud if you have your AC on, but if you don't, it's perfect. You have your, and then we're gonna come on over here. You have your walk-in closet right over here. Now let's go ahead and go up the stairs, and you don't need to watch me go up the stairs. Let's just cut it. Now you get up to the top of the stairs, and I've said it once and I'll say it a million times. I am such a sucker for, oh, they forgot to put the batteries in that thing. Hate that. Yeah, I apologize. You're gonna hear this beeping thing. Whatever, we'll just get through it anyway. You have your little clothes closet or your shoe closet or whatever you want to use this closet for. I don't know what people use. Whatever, my wife usually tells me what I'm supposed to use the closets for. And did you know that there's a bunch of different towels that you could use? So the only reason why I say that is because my wife this morning, she yelled at me because there was supposed to be 1 towel for the windows and 1 towel for that, the counters, another towel for cleaning your face, another cup. Who would have thunk? Whatever, it was a stupid thought that just went with mine. But you come in and then you have this huge little island right over here. Huge little island. That doesn't even make sense. But you have this huge island right over here. And, oh, they have this really, really cool little sink thing. Okay, so check the sink out, okay? These are the best sinks ever. On. Touchless sinks. These things are the best, especially when you're cooking. I like to cook, so I go ahead and use that a lot, and then you don't want to get dirty everywhere on your sink and whatever. Then you have your pantry closet right over here. And then you have your 5-burner stove right over this way. Built-in microwave right over here. Then you come across, and then let's go ahead and check out the rest of this guy. Here you have, of course, they did a dining table right over here, right in the middle. Now, for me personally, I don't like to do a circle dining table for this little middle portion. And then this, because you want to get a little bit of separation, right? You want to get a little bit of separation. But how cool is this? Okay, so like you're right now on the island, and this is what you see right here. Right there, that's what you see. You could see all the way across it, which is one of the best things that you could possibly get. So the reason why I really, really like townhomes, and this is the second part of it, is because whenever you have a townhome, and then especially when you have any open floor layout, right? Any open floor layout. So like right now you're on the island, and then you could go across, like you could sit there and you could mingle here, and then people be over there, instead of having separation in rooms and this and that and whatever. But you could sit there and you could cook, you could do whatever you can, you could entertain, people could go chill over there, everybody could hang out. I personally love it. But let's go ahead and get the rest of this. Oh, of course you have your dining table right over here that you chose to do a single one. Not a big fan of it, but if this is your thing, then of course do your thing. These, I honestly never understood these nook areas, okay? Because in my mind as a guy, right, as a stupid man, I would just assume that this is where you would put your TV, and then I would go ahead and put my couch right over here. But no, this is actually, I mean, people that are way smarter than me, this is how you do it. You do some shelving in here, and this way make it look nice. I mean, I don't know what else you would put here, but whatever. Then you have your living room area right over here, and then they have these slat walls. Slat walls are amazing. I really, really like that. Oh, so this is how they do it. They just cover the holes here, and then they put the, I need to get this into my office. But they put the TV. So see, this is why I'm the dummy. I don't know any better. I would have put the TV right over there, and instead, this is where you're supposed to put it. You have yourself a couch right over here. And what I would probably do is I would probably I would just put a sectional down here because let's just face it, sectional, they're just way more fun or way more comfortable to go ahead and have a casual setting, and it's like, it's easy, it's more comfortable that way, right? But then you have your half bathroom down here, and then let's go ahead and go up the stairs. This is a 3-level, okay? So this is a 3-level, and it's pointless to see me go up the stairs, but we're going up any stairs anyway. Let's just get on up here. So as soon as you get up to the top of the stairs, off to the right-hand side, right-hand side, you have your 2 bedrooms right over there, closet right over here, right here. So this is your closet, which I'm assuming this would probably be like your towel closet or whatever. I don't know. I always found it stupid to call a closet a specific thing. You want to use it for something, use it. You want to put junk in there, put junk in there. You want to put like the most nicest things you got in there, pop it in there, whatever. Then you have your washer dryer right here. And then that's the best part, okay? So you have the washer and dryer. You have your washer and dryer right over here, which is good because you have it on this side of the house rather than where the master bedroom is, because you get to annoy them. You don't have the washer and dryer running, you don't have to worry about yourself, and then plus, you can teach your kids to go ahead and just dump all their stuff over there. But we have the first bedroom right off to the right-hand side, and then this is a good size, right? Probably about a 10 by 10 bedroom. And you know, and I'll say, you have to, when you are going and buying a new development, you have to see how big these windows are and how much light goes in. And then the most important thing is my house facing east or west? Where is the sun gonna rise and where is it gonna set? Unless you just like it dark and grungy looking, then it really doesn't matter. But for the most part, I personally really like a lot of windows. I wanna wake up with the sun, I wanna go to sleep at the right time because, you know, the melatonin and all that, I don't know the real details of it, but that's how it's done. Then you have this Jack and Jill bathroom, which full bathroom, and then this way it's connected to the other bedroom. Now the other bedroom, it's the door right through here, so you can close it, you can do whatever. So this is going to be the same size, it's going to be a 10 by 10, and then you come over here, and then you have your other closet, which, oh, this is actually really cool. So this closet, I'm gonna get in the closet. This has this little nook area right here. So you could actually build in some shelves here, and you could use this to where you put your sneakers, your shoes, your heels, or whatever it is that you wear. And then let's go on to the master bedroom, and then do the last, final room. Now the master bedroom, as soon as you walk in, you have like this little area where, I don't know, you put a table right here, or I don't know what you would put there, but, and this is a really good size. This is not a bad size. God, this music is killing me. This is not a bad size. This is totally gonna get copyright. I'm gonna get busted for that. But this is a really good size. You have, it's probably about maybe 10 by 13. The downstairs room seems a little bit bigger, maybe because it's longer and it's not as, whatever. Walk-in closet right over here, and walk-in closet is pretty good size. It's decent, like townhomes. Townhomes are good for, like, you know, either growing families, or they're like, you know, if you're boyfriend, girlfriend, fiancés, or whatever, you guys just want to go buy something, or even if you want to do an Airbnb situation, whatever it is, these are good because it's low maintenance, and you don't have to worry about like cleaning and this and that. Like if you go to like a $2,000-3,000 square foot homes, you know how much of a pain in the ass it is to clean that big of a house? It's super annoying. But you come in like this. This bathroom right here is everything that you would need. I would go ahead, I mean, you have your shower. Bathtubs. I don't understand bathtubs. I don't get it. I hate bathtubs. I've never used it. I have a bathtub in my house. Hasn't even been touched once. But you have your stand-up shower, his and her sink right over here, and then you have yourself, oh, the toilet. Who cares about the toilet? And that's all she wrote. So let's go ahead and do a little recap on this guy, and then we shall go from there. All right, so let's do a little bit of recap. So this is in Inglewood, California. KB Homes built it. This one is 2,355 square feet. HOA on this property is going to be $194 a month, and your tax rate is going to be at 1.4 1.4%. Now, with that 1.4%, the reason why it's at 1.4% and not your standard is because there's a special assessment Melrose tax that is entwined with it. Otherwise, your tax rate would be much less. But yeah, that's pretty much all she wrote. And like always, if you liked the content, please like, subscribe, comment, and for up to 50% commission rebate or any mortgaging assistance, please let me help you out. Go shop around, go do whatever you can, and then come to me. Say, hey Omar, can you beat it? Because money is money at the end of the day, and if I can save you some money, that's what I'm here for. Get out of here and let's go do another one of these guys. I know people like the more professional ones, the professional videos, but I hate them. I think they're stupid. I think it just doesn't, it highlights nothing. And when I go do these things, I think this is a much better way to do it, because this will give you the actual way of you coming inside of the house instead of me editing and then color editing and doing all of this other stuff. I hate that shit. But let's get on to the next property and